Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is mitosis, one cell dividing into two genetically identical daughter cells. By the end of this video, you'll know the 4 stages, why the daughter cells are identical, and exactly when mitosis happens in your body. Mitosis is nuclear division producing 2 genetically identical diploid daughter cells from one parent cell. It happens after DNA has replicated, ensuring each new cell gets a full copy. Mitosis is used for growth, repair, and asexual reproduction. Gametes, the sperm and eggs, are made by a different process called meiosis. Memorize PMAT: Prophase, Metaphase, Anaphase, Telophase. Prophase, the chromosomes condense, nuclear membrane breaks down, a spindle forms. Metaphase, chromosomes line up at the equator. Anaphase, sister chromatids are pulled to opposite poles. And the telophase, chromosomes decondense, new nuclear membranes form. Then cytokinesis splits the cytoplasm into 2 daughter cells. Common slip: mitosis is for body cells. Gametes are made by meiosis, which halves the chromosome number. Mitotic daughter cells are diploid, full chromosome count, and identical to the parent. Mitosis happens constantly in your body: skin replacing itself, bone healing a fracture, embryo developing from a fertilized egg. Quick example: a fertilized egg divides by mitosis to produce every cell in your body. After just 5 mitotic divisions, you have 2 to the 5, which is 32 cells. By the time you're born, you're made of trillions, every one a descendant of mitotic division from that original zygote. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.